gonna find out. That one, alright, come down now. Me know say nice finger licking. Yeah? Me know about
and say they should have a line too. Should have a line, a barrier maybe. Should have a barrier because when they whooping, you have a bomb rush.
So why are you there?
Me just come and me have a car around here.
Well, the traffic is there hectic, you know, because I don't work on the plaza now, I work with Guardsman and I work in an NCB. But I have the out here assistant because when the truck come, when the burial truck come, it have the park right there. So I have the out here to wait on the truck to let the truck get a parking. Because then the point traffic and things.
Before 5:30, the second one, yeah. Because I want to come catch a two little piece of chicken for get to eat it. I always send come buy my chicken, but now that's it I give it, I have to eat it.
I'm there from 4:30 this morning. Me and the work man, I work on KFC. I'm not sleeping on my bed. I want the free chicken. Feels so good. Yeah, I like the deal. Me I got promise me I eat KFC.
It is special. On Friday we don't cook, so we get by the KFC on Friday. But today and Wednesday we are get the free, the free piece. That's why it's so full. Because we spend the money over the years, and so we are get back something now. So we're gonna take it.
If I didn't know, say baby mother go in, mother just carry a baby. And that them I use as a strategy. If I didn't know mother work with her, one day I can push out my belly and go in.
Police! Yo, send them on the outside line, no problem.
Splash, give thanks for me life, oh gosh. I watch him me dipping on this. Drink up the thing, so it open up his own box. Call them a bubble.
Paper, c'est unclear, you know. C'est unclear.
The location, they are passport. KFC, say listen to them, don't stop. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend.
So how much have I heard? How much have I heard?
One will vibe, give thanks for life. KFC doing it up. Hey, tell you this, happy birthday, yeah, my friend. I me tell you one more thing, and then, more life to you can with the till the end. Real from me heart. See there now. I want to love that. That's it. Best thing one tree without this. See someone else just do what I'm up. Best thing there. Best thing. Your KFC. Step out in the black and black under the toe and shot a lot. Oh, KFC with a take. Tell them no. Again. Yeah, I'm not if now, but now maybe. KFC celebrating 50. And we no lazy. Alright then. KFC, what we do? We're getting. Send them all on the KFC me up, sell chicken from another 50 years. I sell chicken, I will not stop sell chicken with red chicken. Tell them about it, can we keep proxy? I tell them about what's the thing. I will tell us I got busy, this how we run the thing. KFC, 50 years not the thing. Celebrating 50 years, I miss a half a century. Tell them what we do. What? I KFC this, and this uptown. I will defend myself. When our belly full of empty, big up all the police officers, big up KFC, big up Tina, big up Gary Matalan, big up all the customers, big up all the supporters. Hey KFC, I'm to tell them, fulfill anything for that. And I'm behind. I'm say run out KFC, no. KFC in the run out. I told him, so we pop up and then with the 12, the more, chop up and chop. Hey, KFC. Yo, let me tell you something. Read him up. Hey, KFC, let me tell you this. I represent KFC 50 years. And 50 years, the first location in Jamaica. And we now go to jail again. We never gonna feel again. Like a ship, we are gonna sail again. You will never see me call the friend from the hell again. Now see me, I couldn't do this no more. Bracelet up in the house no more. Step out and hold me one for sure. KFC line them full, chicken thing galore. Yes, and I say if you've been to KFC before, you know say customer service and
the location upon the screen. All up road across on JC.
Tell about sweets anywhere we go. Not them serious. KFC we no nervous. I'm gonna tell you about. Hey, tell us how we 50 years. Hey, KFC. Guess what? One phone call it take for order your KFC bucket or your big bag.
Freestyle gun. Freestyle gun.
We're ready for the 90 million commercial for KFC across the world. You know how it is. No self-praise, this is what it is. Hey, KFC, and no store can go round we, no fast food can go round we, KFC. A one phone call it take, order your big bucket of chicken and you get the passport. Look here. Hey, can't talk, you know. I say you run place, I run. Some other fast food, hey, a KFC say you, alright. I say no for them stairs, I will leave for them stairs, I say no for them stairs, I say chat them a chat no, alright. I will leave for them stairs, I say no for them stairs, I will leave for them, hey, all them stairs so KFC so good and none of them can taste so, oi. Empty barrel I make nice and them a don't know about them a don't know. Can't step to the thing, me say all of the thing, they are real ones. Oh, yes, some have a one piece of chicken and a pose, but them no big restaurant, no way. You don't love it. Enough of them stays, enough of them stays, I shot them, I say enough of them stairs. Hold on, me say enough of them stairs. Oh, yeah, me say enough of them stairs. Watch how you like
just come out of AC.
Back up a Strawberry Hill. And the one they go all the way back around Ochi. Ready,